Hello everyone, my name is Elwin and I will be demonstrating the functionality and UI design of my web page, the hotel booking system. So, at first, what the user is going to see when they log in is they're going to see this home page. But actually, anything the user clicks, for example this button or this button here, anywhere at all, it will lead directly into the login page. So, for the user to be able to use the website, is they have to register an account first. If let's say they enter a random number, a random input, or maybe just an empty input, it will prompt the user to actually fill out the field. So let's go on and register an account. Let's call him Jack. His name is Jack, and the password is Jack123. And let's actually confirm the password. And okay, so when we click this button, it will actually call a method from the PHP file, and it will register into the database. Now, let's use those inputs we entered just now, and let's just try to log in. Okay, so now we've successfully logged in, and you can see on the top right it says welcome Jack, and this is because of the session has been opened, and until you try to log out, it will stay like that. So now the user can actually click and interact with the website. So let's go on and try the main function of the website, which is to book a room. So let's click on this, check availability. And as you can see here, there's like 4 types of rooms that you can choose from. There's like a single bedroom, double bedroom, and then the availability, and yes. So let's say I want to book single bedroom, that type. I need to choose one and search for that room. What this will actually do is the PHP, it will search for the input ID 1, and the ID input 1 will try to find the ID that is similar to that one and show only those rows, which is this row here, room 101 is the only option. So let's say I want to book this room. I select this room, I press here. And now we will go into the field info.php page. So because the session is already open, the the PHP file will actually call the value from the database of the user and put it here. And also the input is read only and we cannot interact with it. And this is the info that is passed from the previous pages. So now we only need to edit the check-in date. Let's set it to 1st of December and maybe check out on 5th of December. And now when you click here, it will actually finish the booking and all of these data will be inserted into the database. So let's click. And let's see the user's booking. See, Jack has now booked for room 101. Never mind about this room 101 previously because I tried to test. Okay, and let's go back. And the user can actually check for their bookings, which is here, my bookings. Here the user can check for their currently booked rooms. And yeah, so let's go to the contact us page. And here you can see there's a container form with all the inputs already filled in. Because of the session ID, it's called from the value. And now we only need to enter the subject and context. Let's say project, and let's say I love PHP. And let's click here and it will actually insert into the table of user contact. And you see Jack just submitted a feedback. Now we try to log out, and we can see that it went back to homepage.html. So now we can actually go to the admin side of this website, and what the admin page is able to do is they can modify all of the information of the users, the rooms, the categories, and update them. Yeah, so now we need to enter a HTTP authentication. I set it as admin for username and password. So let's go in here. And here we need to enter another login form. By the way, this data is already set. It's pre-registered here in the admin database. So if I type these credentials, it should log us in. Okay. So now there are 8 card items, which is view all users, delete users, view user bookings, delete user bookings, and yeah, so on. So let's check for the Jack's bookings right over here. Actually, let's check if Jack registered account. Yeah, this is Jack's registered account. All existing users, currently registered users. And I'll save the delete users for the last. So let's go on to view user bookings. Remember that Jack booked for the room just now, 101. Okay, let's check. So Jack booked for room 101. So it's there. That's good. So let's delete user bookings. So in this page, we're only given the option to choose between 3 and 6. So I'm going to choose 6 and delete Jack's booking. And now it's gone. So let's go back to the home page. And let's try to update the room actually. So, okay. Currently, there are 8 rooms in the hotel, which are registered into the database. And let's say I want to add a new room. So I just type here, room. Let's give it 111. Maybe the price I'll put 200. The room type is actually linked to here. So there can only be 4 types of rooms. If you want to add more types, you have to go to another page. I'll talk about that later. For now, let's try to enter the ID. And yeah, the room has been added. So let's actually try to update the room. So currently it's room 111 with 200 and room type is 1. So for me to be able to change the data, I have to select the ID of that room. So it's 10, right? Let's change the room number to room 333. Why not? And the price, maybe I'll put 333 also. The room type, I'll put 3. So when I click update, it will update to what I just entered. And also this will be updated in the rooms. See? Okay. Now let's go back to home page and let's delete the room actually. Let's delete room 10. Yep. It's basically the same concept as the delete user bookings. You select the ID and you delete. And let's go to the room categories. We can add or update, same concept as just now with the add and update rooms. So let's try to add a room type. So for the room type, I'll put let's say maybe quad bedroom, and maybe 4 people can stay there. And is it available? For now, I'll put no, just for the sake of being different. So I'll add, and as you can see, the category ID. This one is auto increment, so it keep adding actually. So currently it's 7 and quad bedroom, and so on. So if I want to change it, I have to select the ID, same as before, And then maybe I could change to triple bedroom. And then 3 people. And is it available? I'll put yes. And now it's been updated. Yep. And let's delete it. And let's choose row 7. And let's delete it. Yep. And now it's gone. So, let's go to the user's feedback. And as you can see, this is Jack sent the message talking about project. So I want to view the context. I'll select 2. I can view here. I love PHP. Sorry, my bad. All right. And let's go check Jack's booking. And now Jack doesn't have any bookings because the admin just deleted it. So yep, that's the end of my demonstration. Thank you for watching.